Hello friends, today we are going to solve question 26 of SOM series. If you have not watched my earlier video, then go in the description and watch my earlier video first. And before watching this video, make sure that you have watched my video on how to find area, because in that video I have explained whole concept of how to find area. So make sure that you have watched my video on how to find area. So let's solve today's question. What is today's question? The question is, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to x square minus 4x and x plus y is equal to 0. In my last video I discussed the similar question like this. That question is, in my last lecture I discussed this question. If you want to watch this question, then you can find the link in the description given below. So you can watch this question also. So today we will solve this question. So here we are given curves y is equal to x square minus 4x and x plus y is equal to 0. So let's first draw the curve. So for this curve, let's find the intercept first. So y is equal to, let's take x common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So when we put x is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. So we can clearly see it will intersect on x-axis at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. Let's draw the diagram. We know that the coefficient of x square is positive, so it will be upper facing curve. And its two intercepts are x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. And we are given another, this is the equation of line. So this is equation x is equal to minus y. And we know that x is equal to minus y will pass like this. It will pass from origin and it will be like this. So the bounded region is this one. This is the bounded region. This is curve x square minus 4x and this is y is equal to minus x. Now we know that formula of area is equal to double integration from 1 into dx dy, and we know that x belongs to 0 to 4, but for this curve we have to find the intercept. So let's first find the intercept. So x square minus 4x, we are equating both the equations. So here y is equal to minus x, so this will be minus x. Now bringing this side, we get x square minus 3x is equal to 0. That implies taking x common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So intercept are x is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So this point is 3 and this point is 0. So x belongs to 0 to 3. Now we know the limit of x. So we will take integration of double integral 1 into dy dx. Why we took this? Because we have find the constant limit, and in double integration always we take the constant limit outside. So we have taken the constant term outside. Now it's dy dx. In my video on how to find area, I have explained that how to solve such problems. So whenever it's dy dx, we draw the vertical line. When we draw the vertical line, we can see it's entering from this curve, that is x square minus 4x, and it's leaving from y is equal to minus x. So y belongs to x square minus 4x and it's leaving from minus x. So area is equal to, x limit are 0 to 3, y limit are x square minus 4x, 2 minus x, 1 into dy dx. Now integrate 1 with respect to dy, so we get y. Its limit are x square minus 4x to minus x into dx. Now put the limit inside. So we get integration from 0 to 3, minus x upper limit minus lower limit. So minus x square minus plus 4x into dx. So this is equal to integration from 0 to 3 minus x square plus 3x into dx. Now integrate this term with respect to dx. So we get area is equal to minus x cube by 3 plus 3x square by 2. Its limit are from 0 to 3. Now put the limit So we get minus 3q by 3 plus 3 by 2 x square, and 0 when we put 0 it will going to be 0 only. So no need to write that. So this is equal to minus, this will get cancelled, minus 3 square plus 3 by 2 into 3 square. So it will be minus 9 plus 9, 9 3 is 27 by 2. That is equal to minus 18. 9 2 is 18 plus 27 by 2. That is equal to 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell for the latest video. And if you have any query, any doubt related to this question, then let me know in the comment section given below. Thank you.